everyone, it's Kelsey from Peachtree Plants. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you what's inside the May sub box from DEK Designs. First off, they just have this little note inside the box, but oh my goodness. I was honestly so surprised by how much you get in this box. I think it's like $30 for the subscription, and you definitely get your money's worth. Like, there's so much in here. So first up, there's like this little pen pouch or like makeup bag, and it's in this like white pearly color. It's like kind of shiny. It's got gold hardware and it's so cute. Like, I'm definitely gonna use this for like pens or just stuff, probably for like school. I'll put a bunch of stuff in there. But next we got this little heart keychain, and it's so soft. I just kept like touching it because it's so soft, but it's so cute with the little bedazzled charm on there. So cute. Oh my gosh, and ignore my nails. I need to redo them, but I haven't done it yet. So next up, we have this super cute pen, and it has a little Mickey on the top. And it's like a good quality pen. It's like a metal barrel. It's just this cute pink color. And you just twist it to open it. I need to test it. Actually, I haven't tested it yet, but it's super cute. And then next we have some washi tape, and then I know they were telling us that the subscription box was like a little bit delayed because they had an error with one of the washi tapes. So there's actually 3 in here. I found the other one in a little bit, but I didn't see anything wrong with them. I thought they were all really cute. And next, let's see, Oreos. I love that they put Oreos in here because I love Oreos, one of my favorite junk foods. So next we have this little, it's like a little bookmark, but it's in gold foil. So cute. Okay, so let me just take everything out so it'll be a little easier. Okay, so you actually got 3 washies because they told us one of them was like a misfit, but honestly haven't seen any problems with it yet. Okay. So quick overview, you get a kit, some sticky notes, some extra stickers, a little pouch, and then the May monthly kit. Okay, so they had this in like a light gold foil, so you just get some like foil overlay stickers. And then here's the actual kit with like this floral pattern, and it has like all the same patterns that you see like throughout the box. Super cute. Okay, next we have the kit, and this is like the biggest kit I've ever seen. You get so much in here. So you actually get 2 pages of full boxes, and they all have that light gold foil, and it's like Mother's Day themed, but you could totally like use this just for spring. Okay, and so here's the bottom washi page, some boxes, habit trackers, weekend banner, some extra headers, and some other boxes, and then lots of checklists, and then some more headers, date dots. I thought this page was so cute. I absolutely love scallop boxes. And it's so cute with the little sticky notes, and then you get lots and lots of deco. Super cute. Okay, so there's the full kit, but yeah, like I said, this is like an absolute massive kit. You can use this probably for like multiple weeks. There's just so much included in here. Okay, and so next we just have some more stickers that go with the kit. We have some overlay, like gold foil stickers, some layering pieces, just some more little boxes, and then these like little watercolor splotches. I thought those were really cute and like kind of unique. Okay, and so next we just have some sticky notes, and you get a good amount of sticky notes, and you can never have too many. So now we have like this little sticky pouch, which I thought was super useful because I really don't have any sticky pouches. And there's like a little, not like a journaling card, it's just like a little die cut. And then here we have a lot of die cuts. So Barely Awake, some little slippers, and these just all match that kit. Little eye mask. You can see they're just like little die cut stickers. Trying to peel it. Oh, I guess I didn't really show it, but they're just little die cut stickers. And then a little robe, some nail polish, I love it's like the little daisy perfume. Little tray, like the little breakfast in bed. Mom fuel, that's cute. Happy Mother's Day, little leaves, so cute. Yep, so lots and lots of little die cuts, so cute. And then yeah, just a little sticky pouch. Okay, and so last in the box, you just get a bunch of different papers. So that first one matches like the May monthly kit, and here's a piece of vellum. Very cute, and then like a pink, shiny, shimmery paper. And I like making like my own planner cover, so I thought these would be really cute to use. And they all just have like those cute like blue and pink and gold colors. I forgot to show the back of this one, but it just matches the vellum. I think this one's really cute. And that's everything you get in the May subscription box from DEK Designs. But thanks for watching. I do have a discount code that you can use on anything full price. I don't think it works on the sub boxes just because it's already so discounted, but I'll have my discount code linked below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.